extension.joomlapro.com. In this video, I'm going to show our new login module for YOOtheme. It's a Joomla specific thing because when we build member websites and communities and login things, we mainly use Joomla because of the ACL system, etc. that is in there in Joomla. So project that becomes, login in some way, we mainly use Joomla. So this one is specific for Joomla. And let's take a look here, and I'm going to demonstrate how it looks. You can find it here. It's called JP, which stands for Joomla Pro YOOtheme Login. What this does is that in our demo here, we can take a look and we can see that we have this button here with a login form, some title, additional text, etc., etc. here. And we can take a look in the back end of this. So this is a module. It's not a YOOtheme element. It's a Joomla module. And if we take a look down here, we can see that we have the module here. And we can take a look at the setting. We follow very much the default, we follow the YOOtheme way for this module here. So you're gonna see a lot of resemblance of the settings here. So this is built for YOOtheme. So you're gonna see the different, button primer, etc., etc., etc. here. So it's built for YOOtheme, but it is a module, and the reason why we made it a module is so that it's easy to position it in different places. For example, the navbar or toolbar, right, left, etc., or other places like the footer, etc. It's a lot easier to use a module. Let's take a look what this can do here. So currently it's positioned in the navbar position, and it has a lot of different things. I'm going to change this up now so that we got a different kind of layout here. I'm going to do toolbar just to demonstrate what it can do. I'm going to do toolbar, let's do toolbar left here, and we're going to change the layout type to inline. Margin between blocks, display, card. Let's take a look how it looks now. I'm going to open it incognito just to make sure that, I'm not logged in. So now we have something up here. Looks a little bit weird currently. We should probably disable the card. No. This is a title. Yeah, let's keep that for now. Let's take a look again here. Okay. Now we're starting to get somewhere. We got an inline type here. We got some additional text and a title. Let's switch this up a little bit. Let's keep the title. Let's do that H6. Let's remove additional text up here. Text align and left. That's good. Show input icons. Yes. Username, placeholder, all of these places where there is text, it's possible to add Joomla language content string. So the title here could be a constant. You just paste in the full constant, and that's same goes for the placeholders, etc. So you can do a multi-language site very easily here with this. Let's take a look here now. Yeah, we got a title H6 and we got login here. One thing that I need to check here is I think we need to have user registration turned on, because I think I turn that off every now and then. Allow user registration, yes. So now if we go back to the site modules, oh, there was an error. One moment. Just gonna do allow registration, yes. Password. Let's do 8, 2, 1, save, and that should work. Yeah, now we go. So again, go back to the module here, and Let's continue here. Show labels. We have show register button. It was already turned on, but it's hidden if user registration is turned off. So now if I just update the website, it should show register. And this is just a link. So you can configure the different link, custom link redirection, custom link for logout, custom link for registration. And you can change the button text for logout and register. New account, just to demonstrate. Again, you can use language constant up here. Yeah, now I'm logged in there. There you can see, now I'm logged in. I use this one, but I will use the private window here so that I'm logged out. But you will see now there's just a logout button when I'm logged in. But here we can see that we have this bar. So again, let me move back here to the module. Let's again just move this to normal or button. Normal is just a display. You can put it in sidebar or something. Sorry, I'm logged in. Here, now we have a login button, and you can see now the layout is a little bit strange again. And the reason for that is that we probably need to add a card display, block padding, none, and let's do primary, card hover, no. There we go. Let's take a look at it again. We're gonna see here now. Yes, but we didn't have, we should have a little bit of padding. Padding small. I also noticed that the drop down is a little bit to the left, bottom right. Let's do bottom left instead of the drop down position. You know, there's a lot of parameters here. I can't go through every one of them, but you know, we've really added lots and lots of params to configure this. There we go. Now we have this. So a little button instead of an inline. Normal is one more. Then it's just stacked form, you know, perfect for a sidebar or something like that, for a community. You know, you can add it like a normal, more like the normal Joomla login, so to speak. The normal login module. Let's go on here. Like I said, there's a little bit of additional text, you know, text 1, text 2 down here. And of course you have all the button settings, you know, you can do button small, even button text, no button link, full width button, no, yes. And the width of the whole drop down, you know, you have here, so we can do that a little bit smaller. Save. We're gonna take a look again. Here we go, now it's a little bit smaller. Let's take a look at the register button, full width, yes. Take a look again, so we get it nice. Oh, now we got a nice one here. And additional text. One is positioned above the form. And this is additional text above login form. Save. So this could be anything, you know, like you just want to add some text, etc. And the additional text 2 is where the register button is. This is more additional text for other things. And we save, we take a look. There we go. And this is now for the register button. One thing that is kind of missing, but we didn't want to add, you know, because we want it to be flexible, so we didn't want to add, and that's for forgot your password or forgot your username. You know, you can do links like that. There is actually, you can do a menu item in Joomla directly to forgot your password and forgot username. So to implement this now, we would recommend that you do, you know, just a link in the additional thing. So forgot password, and you just wrap that into a link. I think you see what I mean, and you just link to that page, and then you can write something like that, you know, in those places. We started adding some forgot your password, but they are a little bit, it's a little bit strange to have it built into the form. We wanted really basic, and we felt that it's possible to do like this, and that's good enough for us. We'll see if people really want that feature. We probably will add it, but we tried and but it was a little bit messy. So we kept it like this. Register button icon. Of course, this is the UI kit. Get UI kit. You know, that's so you just write the icon. So you know you have users with S on the logout register. You know, if I just add that here for the button, we're gonna see that it's now gonna have a little icon. There we go, user icon, and you can do the same for login, etc. So, you know, it's very connected to the YOOtheme framework, of course. But the reason for this is that we felt there's a lot of times that we wanted to build like this inline for example, on our own website here, you know, we have a inline type thing, and we do this for a lot of websites. We have several clients that run a community, you know, for a motorcycle or a club or something like that. You know, and we felt that every time we did this, we needed to kind of reinvent the wheel again, and we moved overrides, and it was just messy. It could take a full day to just get a good login function in our Joomla sites. But with this, it just saves us a lot of time, and we can do it in a very flexible way like this, you know, create a login and just have it nice and hidden. Let me see, is there some more settings that I want to show? Button, inline. Yeah, you have click or hover. You know, there's animations. You know, if you do none here, you can take a look at that. Just, we don't want to use the, okay, didn't save. Perhaps it's added into the template here. If I do another one, reveal, fade, scale up, just let's have a look at that. Just to see if we get, yeah, now it works. I think the template has like a built-in fade on drop-downs on this one, so you probably need to go into styles to kind of change that. Yeah, what else is there that we, yeah, let's take a look also on the, here's the register button, logout button, you know, that's just a button really, you know, you can set the size, etc. And the URLs, of course, you can select. So when you log in, you get redirected somewhere. If you don't set something, it's just going to stay on the current page, you know, like a default setting. But if you want it to be this custom registration link, that should be hooked up to a menu item that is to the register form. And then we have this one, you know, and this, everyone that used YOOtheme is very familiar with this. You know, you can add your additional clauses, you know, so you can take, you can take one of these and just add, you know, your custom CSS. And we've added quite a lot of them here. You have the additional text, you have the logout, login, the title, username, etc. So if you need to kind of modify some CSS more than this, you know, to tighten it or do something, there is tools available for that too. Yeah, I think this demonstrates it quite well. Again, you know, this inline thing is something that I really like, to be able to quickly create something like this, you know. Now there's a lot of additional text there which doesn't fit very well in this, but you know, this is a very nice way to offer, you know, a quick login to any pages if you have some kind of a login on the page. I think that's all that I needed to say. It's 40 euros. You find it on our website, and I think that was it.